Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docents DigitalesTV. You're about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're heading to a place known for its bright lights, world-class entertainment, and the famous phrase, "What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas." That's right, we're talking about the Las Vegas Strip, one of the most famous streets in the world. But why is it so legendary? And what exactly happens in Vegas that makes it so unique? Let's find out. The Las Vegas Strip is a 4.2-mile stretch of Las Vegas Boulevard in Nevada, filled with luxurious hotels, casinos, theaters, restaurants, and attractions. It all began in the 1940s when the first major casino, the El Rancho Vegas, opened on what would later become the Strip. Soon, more casinos and resorts followed, transforming the desert into a dazzling playground for adults. By the 1950s and 60s, Las Vegas became known for glamorous shows featuring stars like Frank Sinatra, Elvis Presley, and the Rat Pack. People from all over the world came to see live performances, gamble, and enjoy the nightlife. Today, the Strip is home to some of the most famous resorts in the world, including the Bellagio, Caesar's Palace, the Venetian, and the MGM Grand. The Strip is also famous for its themed hotels. You can visit a mini version of Paris at the Paris Las Vegas, explore ancient Egypt at the Luxor, or take a gondola ride at the Venetian, all on one street. The shows are just as impressive, with everything from magic and circus acts to concerts, musicals, and comedy. The phrase, "What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas," became popular in the early 2000s as part of a marketing campaign. It means that people can let loose, have fun, and be themselves without worrying about the outside world. It turned Las Vegas into a symbol of freedom, excitement, and adventure. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know what makes the Las Vegas Strip such a famous destination and why it continues to attract millions of visitors every year. Don't forget to subscribe to Docents DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.